vehicle and get it up position. And like I said, my technique with Headliner Magic, we usually don't remove any of the pillars. I'm going to show you how that's done and how it can go right back in without having to do all that extra work. Follow me, guys. We're going to get to it. First, I'm going to take a quick picture here for Instagram. Small clip video. Headliner Magic 2008 Honda Ridgeline. Check out the YouTube live that we did. I'll leave the link in the description below. All right, guys, so we're going to take this board and get right out to it.
I'll tell you some afterwards. Pretty easy to get out, huh?
Yeah. On the bridge line, real easy to get out. Alright guys, so going in for the install. It's a very easy process. If you look, we got the back seats reclined. Everything reclined back. We're gonna come into the vehicle on the front passenger side with the board, and then we'll spin it around and bring it up to the back. This is how it goes in. This is the back side of the board. I'm going to bring it in right underneath the steering wheel. And then as soon as I get about right here, I'm going to start turning it. Bypass the seat belt, come right up. And then prop it up just over there, and then right bring it up right under the steering wheel here. Bring it right on top of the steering wheel. And there we go, guys. It's just like that. Now, the trick to this whole thing, I'm gonna tell you real quick. The Headliner Magic secret to it. Hold on, Junior.
Yeah.
Let me show them exactly what we're gonna do to get it in. I want them to know exactly what they would do if they was in our shoes. So what we're gonna do, guys, is I got the board up. I'm gonna bring it over to one side, and then I'm gonna start putting all the little edges in on one side. On one side of the pillar. Once that side is in, put that side in right there. Put the one side of the pillars in, and we got that one side in the back right there. Yeah, okay. All right, so now one whole side of this thing is all the way in. The key is to flex this board in the middle, is to pull it down in the middle, and then put the other pillars in. Now, when I mean flex it, I mean just bow it all the way down in one side. I'll crinkle that side. Hold on, guys, and then we'll put it right up in there, just like so. There we go. And then you're just gonna let the board go and pop it back up, and you see that, guys, it's right in place. It's right in place. Then you just go through and fine tune all your little extra areas here. Pull your little wire right there, Junior.